Hey guys, how's it going? How to check sellers' feedback on Amazon. So first of all, search for the product. Let's have an example, this product that you actually want. So basically click on the product listing and then just select on the name of that person who wants to sell that product, right? And just click on it, right, next to the sold by, and on the sellers page you will find feedback, ratings, and customer reviewings or reviews. This will provide insights into the seller's reliability and reputation. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for